My name is Jessie Lee. This video tutorial is a crash course on using Blackboard Vista as an online component to your class. In this tutorial, we will be covering how to set up your blank course, choosing your course tools, uploading a syllabus, creating a folder, adding course materials to a folder, designing the header of your home page, importing an image, creating a discussion board topic, and where to go to find more tutorials. To get started, first log into Blackboard Vista through My CommNet. Find your new course that you want to build by reading the course title and number and double-checking the CRN number for the right semester. Since the course is a blank shell, you will be prompted to either set up a blank course, copy content from another course, assign a template, or import content from a file. If you have already set up a previous course in Blackboard Vista, you can copy the content here. Otherwise, pick the first and default option of setting up a blank course and select the Continue button. The second step is to choose the tools you want available in your course. There's a wide selection, and if you're not sure what to choose, you can select the Select All Tools checkbox at the top. However, I just want a few necessary tools in my course, so I will select Syllabus, Announcements, Discussions, Roster, and all of the student tools. Make sure to click on the Save button on the bottom. Now we have set up a blank course and can begin building. We can read through the initial instructions and click on the Done button to reveal our home or course content page. You will notice we have 3 gray tabs at the top of our course page. Whenever we are adding information or building in our course, we need to be in the Build tab. When we want to view the course from a student's perspective, we can select the Student View tab. And whenever we want to interact with our students, we can be in the Teach tab. First things first, I want to add my syllabus to the home page. I will go up to the Add Content Link button at the top and select Syllabus. Now I can choose Select Files since I have my PDF file on my desktop. Converting your documents to a PDF format is a great way to make sure your files are readable on your students' computers. A dialog box is opened and I need to go to the My Computer icon on the left. If this is not loaded on your computer, you need to make sure you have Java installed. Now I can find my file and select the Open button. Now there's a link to my syllabus document on the home page. We can click on the down arrow button right next to it and select Preview to see the document. Since we chose to add the content link on the home page instead of just adding a file, the syllabus is also housed in the syllabus section on the left. Now let's check the Student tab to make sure the document came across okay. The other benefit of uploading a PDF document is that the students can save, print, or select text directly here in the viewer. Let's click on the Build tab to add more content to the course. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is create a folder to house several documents on the home page. I'm going to click on the Create Folder button on the top of the page. I will give my new folder a title and description and click on the Save button on the bottom left. Let's go into the folder by clicking on the drop-down arrow and selecting Go to Folder. I'm going to add files by selecting the Add File button and then select Browse for Files. This will open a dialog box again and I need to click on the My Computer icon on the bottom left. I'm going to select my first file and click the Open button. I will add one more file by repeating the process. Now my folder houses 2 PDF files. Let's go to the Student View to preview them. Okay, let's go back to the Build tab. Our home page is kind of bland, so let's add a header. At the top right-hand corner, select the Page Options button and select Edit Header. We can click on the Enable HTML Creator button on the top right. Now we can edit our course and contact information in a format resembling Microsoft Word. We can change the font, the colors, the emphasis, the paragraph alignment, etc. We can also add a photo by clicking on the yellow photo icon on the top right. We need to browse for our image file and find it on My Computer. After the file has uploaded, click on the OK button to return to the HTML creator. My photo is quite large, so I need to resize it by first clicking on it, then grabbing the bottom right-hand corner and dragging it in to fit. I'm going to just center everything by clicking on the Paragraph Alignment Center button. And make sure to click on the Save button on the bottom. Now we have an informative header on our course homepage. One last thing we're going to add to our course is a discussion topic. In the Build tab, click on the Discussions link on the left-hand menu. We're going to create a topic. And now we have different choices of how we want to format the discussion board. You can read through the options, but I'm going to click on the default threaded topic. Click the Next button on the bottom left. We need to give our discussion a title and description, and we have the option to enable the HTML creator to jazz up the posting with colors, images, or emphasis. We have other options below to hide the item, categorize it, and grade it. But I'm just going to click the Save button to continue. The next thing I want to add is a content link on the home page for the new discussion topic. Click on the course content link with the icon of the little home. Go to the Add Content Link button on the top of our header. Select Discussions and find the topic you just created. Click on the Add Selected button, and our new discussion now appears on our homepage for our students to easily find. I'm going to go to the Student View tab to test it out. We have a demo student account in each course section, so we can test what we have just created. From the student account, I'm going to create a message and post it. We can see that the discussion board is live and working. Okay, you survived my crash course, but this was just the basics. There are lots of resources available to you. Here's a great website to start: Connecticut Community College's Blackboard Vista resources for faculty and staff. You will find documents, videos, and great links here to help you with Blackboard. Also check out the faculty orientation course you are registered for in Blackboard Vista. Thanks for joining me. If you have questions or need hands-on help, let us know in the MCC Sandbox.